In this video, I'm going to show you how you can disable contact sync on Instagram. So if Instagram is constantly recommending people from your phone contact and you like to disable this, let me show you how you can do it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. All right. So as you can see, we have here quite a number of suggestions that Instagram is recommending to me from my new account. And most of these contacts are contacts from my phone book. To turn off this, just head over to your account icon down below here. And when you click on it, it will display this menu icon. Go ahead and click on it. Then go to Account Center. Under Account Center, scroll down and choose your information and permissions. Now under this, scroll down until you see Upload Contacts. Now if you tap on this, you should see we have Connect Contacts enabled. To turn this feature off, go ahead and toggle this off and then disconnect. And from now henceforth, Instagram will no longer recommend your phone book contacts on the platform. And now as you can see, recommendations have been stopped. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.